Welcome to the old Cigar Factory. This building is right in the heart of downtown. We're here to see apartment 3D, which is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment with lots of space. Let's go on inside. On your right as you enter are 2 large hall closets. Plenty of storage space. One unique thing about all of the old Cigar Factory is the size of the apartments. In the living room you'll have 7 pieces, a sofa, coffee table, easy chair, end table, and a dining room table with 2 chairs. Every unit is air conditioned and a heating element. You'll also get lots of light and great views from the south-facing windows overlooking the commons. You'll also have a great accent wall in your living room and kitchen. In your corner kitchen, you'll have everything too. Electric oven and range, a microwave, dishwasher, and a full-size fridge. Just off this living space is bathroom number 1. Large vanity, a shower and tub combo, even a linen closet. On into bedroom 1, you'll notice 5 pieces of furniture, a bookshelf, a desk and a desk chair, a full-size bed, the dresser and the walk-in closet. On into bathroom 2, again large vanity, and a shower and tub combo. On into the bedroom 2, you'll have all the same pieces of furniture and another great accent wall, in addition to your walk-in closet. Rent here in the old Cigar Factory includes heat, hot water, trash and recycling. You're responsible for the electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming to a tour of the old Cigar Factory, Unit 3D. Call us today for availability.